Hello everyone, it's Joel from the EV Geek podcast. We have Sebastian behind the camera. Today we're going to give you another install and review. So just picked up some of these carbon fiber door seal protectors online from Top Flight from their Amazon store. There will be a link in the show notes for you to pick these up. We're going to show you how to install these real quick. This shouldn't be too bad. We have two for the front and two for the back. And as you know, with your door seals over the years, this car is a 2020. It's got almost 90,000 miles on it. Those door seals, those thresholds, when you start getting nicked up, start getting scratched. So this is a good kind of inexpensive remedy to fix that. Plus it gives your car a little cool design. So we're gonna hop on in, we're gonna clean up our door seals, and then we're gonna get these installed. We'll see you in a sec. So before installing anything like this on your vehicle, you want to make sure you're working on a clean surface. So got ourselves some Chemical Guys Speed Wipe, quick detailer. Got some on a rag here, and I'm just going to kind of clean the area where we're putting these in at. All right, if you look at our first door seal, you'll see we have some double-sided tape. So we're going to take the black off so we get a nice, good fit. And the hardest part is for this install is lifting up this rubber seal here. So once you get it up and started like that, it should just slide right in, which it does. And you kind of just give it a good push down with that tape. And there you go. Also, the last thing you want to do is these little logos here have a little sticker on it, so you want to make sure you get that off if you can. There you go. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the driver's side and the rear passenger and driver's side ones. Let's get started on those. Okay, we're back here with our rear passenger side seal protector. And we've actually already started. Sebastian's getting a little close up here. What we actually did for this one, which was easier, just pulled the seal up. It was easier for this back one because it's a little bit tighter fit because you kind of have to go underneath the seat. So once you get into place down here, just want to just kind of push this seal back in to place. There you are. You're good to go. All in place. We're going to go over to the other side of the car and take care of those two. Thanks again for joining us today on this another EV Geek podcast install. As you can see, real quick and simple to install those seal door protectors. Took honestly about 10 minutes to do. If you have an extra helper, that works great. Once again, you can look in the description of this video and find the Amazon link where we got these at Top Flight. And we'll see you again on our next install. So long, everyone.